As an avid entrepreneur in the world of e-commerce, I've delved into various marketplaces and discovered some of the best niches for successful dropshipping on Etsy. Now, in this video, I'm going to share my firsthand experience and insight into those niches. So if you're looking to start your own Etsy store or expand your existing one, these niches might be worth considering. Now, before we dive into the niches, let me emphasize the importance of selecting proven designs. It's a smart strategy to first identify designs that are already selling well on the platform and then add your unique touch on them. This approach provides assurances of sales potential while allowing you to bring your creativity and improvements into the mix. Now, additionally, establishing a niche and sticking with it offers several benefits, including repeat customers, bundle purchase potential, and building brand authority. That said, though, that's my best strategy, and I have other videos on how you can do that. Here are the top 10 niches that I think you should look into currently right now on Etsy. So first and foremost is the political niche. Politics is a topic that never fails to ignite passionate discussions, which makes political team t-shirts a hot selling item. Trust me. Regardless of where you stand on the political spectrum, people are always willing to spend money to showcase their beliefs. So whether it's left, whether it's right, whether it's center, or wherever you fall, the political niche can generate consistent sales. Do not shy away from it. Secondly, we have outdoor and recreational activities. Now, enthusiasts of these things like surfing, golfing, disc golf, camping, hiking, you name it, are typically eager to display their passions through their apparel. Designing t-shirts that cater to these specific activities can yield excellent sales. In fact, one of my best-selling items to this date is a disc golf shirt, which continues to perform well day in and day out. Third is going to be broad, right? So that's any trending products. Capitalizing on trends can lead to a surge in sales, albeit it is a little bit more sporadic because as the trend dies off, so do your sales typically with that. But if you stay up to date with what's currently popular and you create designs that are aligned with those trends, it can result in significant sales during those peak periods. However, it's important to note that trends can be fleeting, so it's typically advisable to balance trend-based designs with at least some evergreen options for consistent sales in between those trends. Fourth is girl power. Now, Etsy is a predominant girl customer base, so designing products that empower women can tap into this vast market. Women love to express themselves through clothing, and creating designs that resonate with them can lead to impressive sales. This niche offers great potential due to the large pool of potential customers, and it's simple, but it's effective. Try it out. Fifth is home goods and DIY projects. Now, Etsy users frequently shop for items to enhance their homes and to enjoy DIY projects. And capitalizing on this demand by creating products like t-shirts or mugs or even other related home items can be highly lucrative if done right. Home goods have consistently been one of the hottest markets on Etsy since it started, so making worthwhile merchandise in this niche has a lot of potential. Sixth is one that I kind of just stumbled on, and that's funny aprons for cooks. I experienced this one when I discovered a store that I was trying to snipe, and despite the fact that it was a little bit unconventional, I decided to test it out. So this niche has proven to be highly profitable, especially because you can source these aprons on sites like Printify and Printful super cheap. And if you can just rework what's already been proven to sell on the platform and just kind of put your own spin on it, you can do pretty well. Next is gifts for him. Now, creating products tailored to gift giving can yield substantial sales, but gifts for him particularly does well on Etsy because, like we touched on, women are the primary shoppers on Etsy. So whether it's Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or other special occasions, women turn to Etsy for unique and thoughtful gifts. So tapping into this market by specifically designing products for men can be extremely lucrative as well. Coming in at 8 is specific groups of people. Now, hear me out here. Designing products around specific groups of people can be a winning strategy. So these designs can attract search traffic on Etsy, which typically has a lot less competition if it's not a higher traffic keyword. And with the right design and somebody searching for that, you can have a t-shirt that highly resonates with somebody searching for it that's almost assuredly to buy. If you have in-depth knowledge about a particular group, then leveraging that expertise to create niche-specific designs can lead to specific sales. So I always use the example of Hufflepuff here because obviously Gryffindor is the main house in Harry Potter, but Hufflepuff is one of the less popular houses. And so if you design specific shirts for Hufflepuff, for example, you can really capitalize on the search-based traffic that's directly going to Hufflepuff stuff. Coming in at 9 is tech. So tech enthusiasts are passionate about their preferences, and creating designs that cater to their preferences can definitely generate sales. For instance, designing shirts with slogans like Android is better than Apple can resonate with the specific segment of the market market that believes that. And understanding your audience and their preferences can help you create designs that sell well, so take that example and run with it. Finally, my favorite niche, and that's cars and automotive. Now, the automotive niche, particularly among car enthusiasts, thrives on passion. This is not just on Etsy, but I made a killing on Facebook Marketplace doing this. I'm currently making a killing on Mercari doing this, and this niche has a lot of potential. Whether it's a Ford versus Chevy shirt, for example, or other popular brand rivalries, people have strong opinions about their favorite cars. And creating designs that tap into this passion can lead to significant sales. Now, this niche has been proven for me, again, not just on Etsy, but all over the place. I dare you to try it. So there you go. These 10 niches have shown consistent demand and consistent sales potential on Etsy. However, it's always important to remember that design quality is paramount. People are drawn to products that reflect their beliefs and personalities, and creating designs that immediately resonate with your target audience can evoke a "that's me" response that can greatly contribute to purchases and a lot of success. Ultimately, selecting the right niche is absolutely crucial for Etsy dropshipping success, or selling on Etsy in general. By leveraging proven designs, like we covered, focusing on evergreen options, and considering the preferences of these platforms' predominantly female audience, you can make significant strides in growing your Etsy store. Remember though, it's a journey that requires continuous creativity, adaptability, and staying attuned to the market trends as you introduce more and more designs. But best of luck to you on your Etsy journey, and I really hope this helps.